Welcome everyone. My name is Jose Ricardo Jaén, designer and co-founder of Osiris, the most advanced trading software in the retail forex industry. The purpose of this video is to welcome you to our webpage where we'll have all the track records, data collection that we have on Osiris. We will share with you our work and how we keep progressing in what we believe and feel is the most simple but effective way to trade the forex markets. In our initial development, we created 4 modules for Osiris. Only 2 of them are active. We're currently working on the trend strategy that Osiris provides. And what I'm about to do is share with you the 4 risk models that we have and explain to you in a quick way exactly what you have to expect and why we think, as I said before, that this is the most advanced trading software. So stay with me and let's go over the charts. Now let's go directly to my FX book. Well, you can see I'm watching a little bit of a Japanese anime, Captain Tsubasa. But let's go back to business here. Okay, so first off, I want to make sure we all are on the same page. We use these accounts thanks to ILQ Australia to track this information, to track exactly what to expect. From that point, we take the statistics, and adjust them to your account size. Before you purchase, before you decide to run this on a live trading account, make sure that you contact us to run the numbers. We would like to crunch the numbers with you. We would like to show you exactly what to expect and to make sure you understand that in the long term there is a lot of opportunities using a well-designed Martingale strategy. Again, we're not here to hide any information. This is a fixed risk. This is a concept myself and my team came up with a couple years ago, between 2012 and 2014. And the idea is that we make sure we understand what is your risk before you start trading. Even if the case that something goes wrong and we are not successful making you money, making you profitable in autopilot, you will start from the beginning. From day one, you will know exactly what is your max loss, max risk. This is very important to understand. The majority of the services these days are very ambiguous as far as what to expect. Make sure that they transfer the risk to you. What we want to do here is, if you're MD, if you're an engineer, if you're someone that you do have savings and you're looking a way to beat the banks, not the market itself, beat the banks, beat the average, then you are in the right place. Our team is dedicated, not only that, I will use the word committed to success. And what we want to achieve, if you want to call it sort of plateau, it's the perfect stage where there's a balance between broker, client, introducing broker, and service provider. In this case, our technology company, MT4 Coding. And that's very important for us. Now, as you can see here, this track record is Osiris M1. What is it called M1? Module 1. It's the first one we finished a month before Brexit, back in 2015 in London. That's when we finished. And I'm going to show you the month allocation we have here. We have since 2016. You have here May 2016, actually May 2016. And we have from May to December 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus we're in October, so that's 18 months of data. Okay. Here, of course, we have some discrepancy on the data. We will explain that in future videos. So make sure you come back for more information. And here you can see the statistics. Now, Let's make sure that the profit factor calculated via my FX book is different from the risk-reward ratio we calculate, which is using gain divided with the drawdown. And that gives us a number. In this case, is 250. That's your real risk-reward ratio. And that what it's telling us, for every dollar you risk, you are expecting to make $2.5 back using Osiris in this configuration. And here are the stats for this year. This year we have made a profit using the Martingale strategy with fixed risk, now called Osiris, almost $7,000. Of course, during this year, 2017, we have a peak here around 125 and a much lower drawdown. This is the first portfolio. It's based on the US dollar pairs. And you have here the statistics. Our second model is a risk model, as we label it, Osiris Ragnarok II. That means risk level 2. And here are the stats. Now, this, of course, on June 14 was a brilliant return, up to 40% with a 5% drawdown. We do not stop these versions, these accounts, because we're collecting the data. From these one, we are actually working at this time in the trend strategy. So make sure for those that are members to ask us about the trend strategy. And we developed it to make sure we are in a position to reduce drawdown and increase probability for higher returns. It sounds scientific, but it's not. This portfolio here, for example, it's the New Zealand dollar risk model, and it's based on New Zealand crosses, including the pair New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. Now, in this case, you will see that you have a risk-reward ratio of 3.03. It means that for every dollar you risk, you will be looking to make $3 back. This is an extremely positive outcome. And just to share with you, this is after 15 months of data. You can see here, we started in August last year, and we're currently in October. How's it going to play out? Well, we'll keep you posted in this matter. And we have other portfolios, as you can see here, Japanese yen, crosses, not so well. And also we have a combination of crosses. So this is your introductory video. We welcome you to Osiris. Stay around for more free content and the best of the most advanced trading software in the retail FX industry.